You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? If you're here to learn more names from Jujutsu Kaisen, make sure to stay tuned because I've got loads of character names as well. This one is pronounced as Gege Akutami. Gege Akutami. It's easy, that's how you pronounce it in Japanese, so in English you can say it as Gege Akutami. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.